So what about Google Plus?
Oh, Google Plus. Oh, I'm a lover of Google Plus. I'm a Googler. What can I say? I think the big comparison between Facebook and Google Plus is that Facebook is now beginning to limit what you can and cannot see on your news feed, on your page. And so Google Plus goes anywhere and everywhere. If you send something out there, it goes to, and you choose like a circle, which is your friends. So Facebook has friends, Google Plus has circles, I guess, circles, people in your circle. So you have a circle of friends instead. I guess that's the best way to describe it. So if you send something to a circle, it goes to everyone in the circle, and you can email them. So your reach is 100%, whereas Facebook, it's not 100%. You never know how many people you're reaching. I guess unless you look at the numbers on the side. Sometimes it'll say it went to 2 people or 39 people. Well, Google Plus, it goes to everyone, which is what I know about Google Plus. And the other thing about Google Plus is you can use hashtags there as well to follow conversations. And you can also follow brands, so you can follow Choose Chicago on there. You can follow us on our Google Plus pages as well. So you can definitely do that. And Google Plus also gives you the option to do Hangouts, which is what we're doing now. So you can chat live with people, which is really cool. So when you're traveling and you want to save money and you want to communicate with family at home, you can do like, I guess it's similar to Skyping. It's a video call. They call it a video call. So you can hang out with people, which is pretty cool as well. Yeah.